Welcome everybody. I just want to really quickly show you how to mix up a single meal of Keto Chow. Now we're going to be using heavy cream and water. Now you can use as much or as little heavy cream as you want. You can even use avocado oil, again, as much or as little as you want. We've got a really nice calculator on our website that'll tell you how much to use. In this case, I'm going to be using about 4 ounces. That'll give me a 600 calorie meal, about enough to do 1,800 calories a day. So I'm going to be doing it in a blender bottle. You can use a blender or you can use an immersion blender in an open container. In this case, doing it really quick and simple like, just to show you. So, got my blender bottle. First things first, you add the fat. I'm going to be putting in right about 4 ounces of heavy cream. Then I'm going to be putting in 1 scoop of Keto Chow. If you've got a sample packet, you're going to just put in the whole thing. I've got a level scoop here. Boom. Now I'm going to fill this up with water to about the 20-ounce line. That's how thick I like mine. You can add more water to make it thinner, less water to make it thicker. There we go, about 20 ounces. Stick the lid on. You want to do this as quickly as you can so it doesn't get clogged up or caked up or dry spots. Make sure that's closed all the way. You want to tap that on your countertop just to keep stuff from getting stuck up here in the mouthpiece. And then you shake it like a crazy person. And that's it. That is 1 meal of Keto Chow. Now you can drink this right away if you want to, or if you put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, it's going to allow the protein to dissolve more. It's going to taste a lot better. So you could drink it then. Or if you stick it in the fridge and let it go overnight, they actually last up to 6 days in the fridge. You can do a whole bunch at the same time. Meal prep is really easy that way. And then they're ready to grab and go whenever you are. So that's it. That is making a meal of Keto Chow. This is 1/3 of my daily nutrients, all the vitamins, minerals, everything that I need. Because, well, Keto Chow, it's more than a protein shake. It's a complete meal.